thank you so much for asking about basic algebra and where things are. Like I mentioned in the email that I sent you, if you touch updates, you're going to see that in the class, every day I update what we're going to do that day. Like you saw on your screen, you may have to push the more, but all of that should come up. If I go off to the side, you'll notice it says upcoming. You're also going to notice that there is a calendar, and the calendar is set from test to test. And so you can even look ahead as to what assignments are for the class or just in all classes in general. And your child should be able to tell you where the calendar is and find it for you. But in my iPad, that's how I look at the calendar. Also, you had mentioned looking at the hybrid folder. And so one way of doing that is you'll notice off to the left, there's a materials button. If you push that, you're going to notice that you go into basic algebra. And so you'll notice I have a link at the top that says hybrid attendance. Then there's a hybrid learning folder. In that, you're going to notice that I have weeks. The one at the top is the week that we're in. And so if I just push on that, you're going to notice that the goals and objectives for the week are there. If you go into that, that'll take you into each week. I tell students what objectives or standards we're working on. And then you'll notice that each day I write what we're doing and what the assignment's going to be. Also in the hybrid learning folder, I have documents for their homework quiz, their quiz review. You'll notice I have a quiz review key. So that's helpful for students. Another thing that I have is assignment submissions. And so I go into the week 11 folder, and you're going to notice that we took a homework quiz, and that's where they put their homework quiz so that I can see it. And then also chapter 4. You're going to notice that I have note templates, I have videos of notes, and I have worksheets and handouts. And if you look in the worksheets and handouts, you're going to notice I have a list of the homework for the chapter. I have the book answers, I have the workbook pages, I have the workbook answers, and then I have some other worksheets like the quiz review, the test review, those types of things. So I discuss this with students on where to find it. We go over it a lot in class. Mine has a few more things on it. You'll notice like I'll have course handouts, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3. Students don't see that. Those are kind of unpublished. The main ones that we work at are the ones that are in pink. I hope this helps. I really appreciate you asking where to find this. Tonight I have conferences from 4 to 7 o'clock, and so if you'd like to come to conferences and you have more questions, I would love to answer them for you and help you any way that I can. Thank you so much.